Hello, the viewers. This is Deanne speaking. I am here because, well, I'm and this is actually the air conditioner. This is the General ASW18DKS1 air conditioner, and it actually produces 230 to 208 watts. Surprising. And unfortunately it was made in China, but hopefully it'll last much longer. So anyway, that would be it for this video. Now let's try to get the compressor outside. So let's try to see the compressor from the side here. And now let's try to get the compressor. And let's try it from the other side. The General Electric air conditioner, which of course I did show you the model number. So we'll have a sneak peek on this video. So may God bless every one of you.